Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. Do you speak English?
I understand English, but I can't speak it well.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have a sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's essential for my work.
When did you learn to ride a bike?
I learned to ride a bike when I was 7 years old.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, my favorite board game is Monopoly.
When was the last time you went to a concert?
The last time I went to a concert was 2 months ago.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo.
Where do you work?
I work at a bookstore.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice.
Do you have any pets?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any pets.
When do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. at night.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers on TV.
How do you get to work?
I go to work by bus.
What's the weather like today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a hobby. I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play video games.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages, German and English.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in San Francisco.
When is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is sunset.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little bit.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
For breakfast today, I had pasta.
Where is your favorite place to visit in your city?
My favorite place to visit in my city is the park.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Michael Jackson.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went shopping.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the movies.
When did you last visit a museum?
I last visited a museum last month.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is history.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 5 fingers on each hand.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am answering your questions.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Titanic.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
On my last birthday, I went to a restaurant with friends.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and going for walks in the park.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Now, I can't play any musical instrument, but I'd love to learn how to play the piano someday.
What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy today and there's a change of rain later in the afternoon.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least twice a week.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I really enjoy watching action movies.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I traveled to Japan last year.
What's your job?
I work as a teacher. I teach English to middle school students.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
On my birthday, I usually have a small get-together with my family. We have a special dinner and cake.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. The combination of different sizes and toppings makes it so delicious.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I learned when I was a child, during summer vacations.
What's the last book you read?
The last book I read was The Great Gatsby by Chef Scott Fitzgerald.
Do you have the name?
Yes, of course, I have a name.
What is your full name?
My full name is Sarah Smith.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Do you love your job?
I think it's a nice job, but it's not my dream job.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What do you do for fun?
For fun, I like to go hiking or watch Netflix.
Do you like dogs, or do you prefer cats?
I like cats, but I don't mind dogs.
Do you have any friends at work?
Yes, I have several friends at work.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emily.
Do you know what Logos English course is?
Yes, I bought this course on Udemy last month, and I think it's the best online English course.
Why do you like this course so much?
It teaches you to think in English and to speak fluently.
Do you wake up in the morning or in the evening?
I wake up in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I can understand you.